Hey, hi guys, today we have Renault Fluence 2014-15 model, and in this one we are going to program a flip key. So first we are going to do auto detect, so emo, then accept, do auto detect. Ignition must be on for a reading VIN number. So we got our VIN number, press OK. Don't forget to connect with the internet. And now Renault Fluence, press yes, press control unit, immobilizer can, remote control learning, key learning. Now here press start button and it will ask you to turn ignition off. After that it will ask you to reacquire the data from the car, and in your case press yes. In my case I have already done it, so I'm gonna press no. So it is that relevant vehicle data has been obtained, so I'm gonna press no. In your case press here yes. So we got the pin number. If possible, take the picture of this. Here it is asking, do you have blank key? I have blank key. I'm gonna press yes. And now it is asking that insert the blank key and turn ignition on. Press OK. And do you want to program other blank key? I'm gonna press no because I have old one, so it is not blank. So the new one is getting programmed. Switch ignition off. Take out the key. Press OK. Checking network. Key learning executing. Insert the key and switch ignition on, then press OK. So I'm gonna turn ignition on with the new one and press OK. So the waiting time is complete, the key is programmed. I'm gonna press yes because I'm gonna program the older one. In Fluence, in other cars also, you need to program all keys. If you don't program older one, it won't work. So I'm gonna turn ignition on with the older one and press OK. 10 seconds of waiting time. And the key is programmed. I'm gonna press no because I don't want to program extra key. 2 keys are programmed. So we are done with our programming. I'm gonna escape. Escape again. And now we are ready to check the remote, it's working or not. So I'm gonna take the new one. So now lock, unlock, lock, unlock, and if I show you the indicators, yes, they are working. And if I try to start the car with the new one, the car is starting nice and clean. So this is how you can program a flip key in Renault Fluence. And the old one, yeah, it's working too.